Hello everyone.
Hello everyone.
My name is Dr. Jatin Kumar. I am Assistant Professor of Botany
My name is Dr. Sumit Kumar. I am Assistant Professor of Geology.
and we both are working in the Department of Life Sciences at Jaypee University, Anup Shahar. Of Botany offers an undergraduate program for the students of biology, that is B.Sc in Life Sciences. The Department of Life Sciences has botany and zoology labs that are well equipped with the advanced instruments such as laminar air flow, UV spectrophotometer, and many more.
These infrastructures allow us to conduct a wide variety of scientific investigations.
Besides regular coursework, we motivate our students to actively participate in various research activities such as writing manuscripts, designing research projects. We encourage our students to conduct research and try to find out the solution of some modern day problems such as wastewater treatment, soil pollution, etc. We are glad to share that some of our graduates are associated with the well-renowned pharmaceutical industries, and it is a significant achievement for a graduate.
Our students participate in various national and international level conferences.
And in the conferences, they share their research work through oral or paper presentations.
Our students also get an opportunity
To visit other universities and labs so that they can have an idea about various ongoing research projects.